The following video is intended for factory-authorized and distributor-authorized servicing agents. Manitowoc Ice, a Welbilt company, encourages the use of authorized service agents to perform these procedures to avoid downtime and problems. Hello, my name is Murray, and this video will guide you through the process of converting a Manitowoc Ice SFA hotel dispenser to an SFA dispenser with ice and water. This conversion will allow your facility to have another point of distribution of water and ice in your building, promoting good health, hydration amongst your guests, employees, and staff. So let's get started. You'll need some tools that are not included with this kit to do this job. You'll need a drill, a 3-inch hole saw, a 1/4-inch drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, a 9/16 box wrench, and an 11/32 wrench or adjustable crescent wrench. You'll also need some miscellaneous plumbing supplies to bring the potable water to the back of the dispenser. Step 1. Disconnect the power from the dispenser by unplugging the power cord from the electrical outlet. Step 2. Remove the front panel. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws located on both sides of the chute. With the screws out, remove the front panel by grasping both sides of the panel and pulling downwards towards you until it clears the ice chute. Then pull the panel up and out. Step 3. Drilling the hole for the water valve. Once the panel is off, keep the panel vertical, turning the door so you're now working on the back side of the front door panel. From the back side, the valve will be installed on the left-hand side. Cut out the template on the back page of the instruction guide and slide it flush with the front edge of the door panel. Use this template to mark the center and drill a 1/4-inch pilot hole. Using that hole as the center, now use the 3-inch hole saw, making that opening for the valve and lever in the front panel. Deburr the hole and clean up all the shavings. Step 4. Drill the holes for the valve bracket. By placing the valve assembly into the bracket, square the upper left corner to the front of the panel, and use the holes on each side of the bracket to drill 2 1/4-inch holes into the plastic. Step 5. Mount the valve bracket with the valve assembly inside the bracket and the 3-inch hole. Fasten the bracket using the 2 screws and nuts included with the kit. Step 6. Remove the grommet plug from the rear panel. The best way to do this is to reach from the front of the dispenser and push out the black grommet out through the back. You guys are doing great. You're halfway through. Step 7. Insert the water tube into the back panel. From the back of the dispenser, insert the hose with the left elbow end through the back panel and feed the hose all the way through until the flange is flush with the back panel. Use the 2 self-damping screws included with the kit to fasten the flange to the back of the dispenser. Step 8. Connect the hose to the valve. Verify the nylon washer is in place before securing the hose line with the left elbow to the valve. Using the 9/16 wrench or the adjustable wrench, tighten the nuts to the threads of the valve. Make sure that it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Step 9. Secure the hose to the front panel. Eyeball the middle of the dispensing area and drill a 1/4-inch hole from the front side of the door panel on the right side of the dispenser area. About halfway up would be fine. Secure the hose using the provided hose clamp, screw, and nut. Step 10. Connect the water line to the flange on the back of the dispenser. Turn on the water. Check for leaks. Make sure there's no leakage from the water tap to the flange or dripping from the valve. Once you've checked there's no leaks, place the cover over the top of the water valve. Step 11. Reinstall the front panel by pushing the front panel all the way back into its final position. Replace the 2 screws on both sides of the ice chute. The last step is to place the water label above the newly installed water valve. Voila! It looks beautiful! You do great work. And there you have it. You've now transformed your ice-only SBA to an ice and water SFA hotel dispensing unit, providing fresh ice and water all in one location. For a more sanitary ice dispense lever, consider installing the touchless lever to make dispensing ice by using a receptacle and not your hand. To learn more about how to install the touchless chute, search for the K00497 installation on our Manitowoc YouTube channel. Thank you for viewing this video. Please try one of our other training types, whether it's webcast, field training, or factory training. To find Manitowoc Ice's training and schedules, please visit our website, manitowocice.com, service training.